Alright guys, welcome to the exciting world of ChatGPT. Alright, now in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with ChatGPT, and what that means is that we're going to be going into the exciting world of OpenAI's ChatGPT. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you how to leverage this cutting edge technology to build real business online and begin to make money. Now with the rise of AI technology, ChatGPT is becoming increasingly popular among individuals, companies, corporations, and business people out there in automating their task and improving on their efficiency. Alright, so whether you're a marketer, a developer, a salesperson, whoever you are out there, I'm going to be sharing with you tips, plans, and strategies on how to leverage this cutting edge technology to go and build real business for yourself on the internet. Alright, so one thing that you're sure gonna do for me, okay, is to subscribe to my channel. All right, hit that notification button and leave a comment, ask questions if you have questions, and I'll be there to answer practically all your questions. All right, so get a note for yourself, get a pen, and sit back and let's get straight into this tutorial. What is ChatGPT? Now everywhere you go on the internet or media, everybody's talking about ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Now, ChatGPT is simply a conversational chatbot, okay? A conversational chatbot trained on massive data, all right, to converse with you like a real human being. And it is programmed in such a way that it can answer any question in any field, all right? You can put me anywhere. It can answer practically any question in any field. And the amazing thing with it, again, is that it can also start wherever your conversation stops. It can also pick up from there. If you ask further question, it will pick exactly from that point and begin to expatiate on whatever your prompt that you've given to it is. All right. So how do you make money from ChatGPT? All right, I'm going to be looking at making money from ChatGPT from the angle of a freelancer. You can use this particular tool to do freelancing. And who is a freelancer? A freelancer is somebody who simply sell services on different platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, where people go to outsource their task. All right, now if you get on Fiverr, you're going to see people selling all kind of services, from graphic design to web development to all kind of services on Fiverr, practically all kind of services. So one way that you can make money from ChatGPT is to sell the service of a virtual tutor. Okay, a virtual tutor. Who is a virtual tutor? Now, a virtual tutor is simply somebody who solve academic problems for people, like homeworks in English, maths, biology, history, and all that. All right, so what you have to do is go to Fiverr or go to Upwork, create your profile, build your portfolio. All right, simply to build your portfolio, you go to ChatGPT, all right, and enter some prompts, come up with some samples of what you can do with ChatGPT, and go and upload it on your profile on Upwork or Fiverr. Okay, now as a virtual assistant, let me show you some of the things that ChatGPT can do. Now, ChatGPT can solve any kind of problem, from maths to English to biology, whatever thing. And you're going to go here to Fiverr and get clients after having set up your account, and have people give you assignments for which they can pay you like $50, $70, $80, $100. Now you get clients from here who give you jobs, and you go to ChatGPT, find the solution, and go deliver it back to them, and you make your money. For example, I asked ChatGPT before recording this video. I said, give me an example of some mathematical problem that a student could be asked to solve. All right, so he told me, he said, sure, here are some examples of mathematical problems that a student might encounter. And he gave me some of the mathematical problems: solve x times x column 2 times x, you know, and simplify expression and all that. He gave me about 10 mathematical problems that a student could be asked to solve. So I told him, I said, solve number 5 for me, which is this one. And he solved that number 5 for me. All right. So in the same direction, he can solve English problem. For example, I also asked him, I said, students can be asked to, what kind of essay could a student be asked to write? He told me the kind of essays that a student could be asked to write. So I told him, I said, write a persuasive essay, you know. So he says, certainly, here is a simple persuasive essay. So he wrote me a persuasive essay. So assuming I got an assignment from Fiverr, okay, now I've solved that particular problem on ChatGPT, and I go back to Fiverr and deliver my work, and the client pays me. Very, very simple. All right. So as a virtual tutor, you can go to OpenAI's ChatGPT and solve some problems that clients are going to be giving you on Fiverr, and go deliver to them and make your money. All right. Now, another thing that you can do also with ChatGPT is content creation. So you can go down to this website, present yourself as a content creator, helping people to create content. All right. Go back to ChatGPT, enter the prompt, the kind of content that you want. Let's, for example, somebody told you to write, you're on Fiverr and you have a client that say, okay, write me a content on SEO for beginners. All right, SEO for beginners. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write us a content, on SEO for beginners. Let's see what it's going to give us. All right, SEO for beginners. So watch right now. It says, sure, here is a brief overview of SEO, search engine optimization for beginners, and it's writing right away. Okay, so these are some of the things that you can go to Fiverr, get work, and come here, create content for your client, and go deliver your content. So, but the only thing you have to do is that if you have to review whatever thing that ChatGPT is giving you. All right, go to a place like Killbot and go rewrite it, and then deliver straight to your client on Fiverr. Don't just go and deliver this thing like this. Okay, you go to somewhere like Killbot, okay, where you paraphrase all that ChatGPT is giving you, and you deliver straight back to your client on Fiverr. All right, so you can do freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork as a content creator, and come to ChatGPT, write your content, and go deliver your content. So another thing that you can do with ChatGPT is product description. All right, a lot of e-commerce website owners has this struggle with writing description for their product. All right, and you can approach them, get a job from them, come down to ChatGPT and write a product description, and go deliver back to them and make your money between $50 to $80. Let me show you an example of product description that I asked ChatGPT to do for me today. I told him to write product description today, okay, on a swimming suit. So let's assume I'm writing a product description for a client that is selling swimming suits. So I told him to write a product description for a swimming suit, and he wrote me a good catchy product description, and you can see right away. All right, so these are some of the things that ChatGPT can do for you, and you can make money from it as a freelancer on the website that I just showed you, Fiverr and Upwork. Now, another thing that you can do with ChatGPT and go and make money is writing scripts for podcasts, for YouTube channel, for movies. You can come here and write scripts, have ChatGPT write script for you. Okay, for example, I told ChatGPT to write me a script on I told ChatGPT, I said, write a script for a YouTube video about travel to Vietnam. Please, if you're getting value from this video, leave me a like and leave a comment. Okay, tell me how you've been doing it with ChatGPT. Tell me how you've been making money with ChatGPT, so that somebody else can learn from you. Okay, so don't forget to leave me a like on this video. So I told ChatGPT to write a description for a YouTube video about travel to Vietnam, and he wrote it. This is a script for a YouTube video on travel to Vietnam. He wrote me the script. All right, you can actually tell ChatGPT to write you a script for anything. Let me say, for example, write a script. Write a script for a YouTube video. Let me say a YouTube video on let's say search engine optimization. Let's see what it's gonna write. It's say intro. Came up with the intro. Say hello, welcome to this video on SEO or search engine optimization. In this video we'll be talking about what SEO is, why it's important, and how to improve your website ranking on search engine. You can see what ChatGPT is doing. As this is mind-blowing. This is mind-blowing. All right, this is a full script for a YouTube video on search engine optimization. This is mind-blowing. So these are some of the things that you can use this tool called ChatGPT to do as a freelancer and make money out there. Very, very simple to do. All right, so this is a short one, and I'm going to be doing more video on ChatGPT. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and then leave me a like, leave a comment, and thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video.